Today we're looking for cold spots in the house and finding where we need to insulate, all with the help of our new thermal camera for Android phones. You just plug it in, open up the app, and then you can scan your area. And it's actually been really useful, not to mention a lot of fun to use. And this camera comes shipped to your door, ready for you to find those hot and cold spots too. Inside the box, you have your user manual, and then a nice travel case with a tough protective cover. Unzip that, and inside, you have a stretchy mesh pocket on one side, a protective flap to keep your lens safe, and on the other side, your camera and extender piece. To get started, scan the QR code on the manual, and then download the app. Then grab your camera. The camera's low profile and takes up little room, so plug it into your phone and select the plug-in thermal imager in the app. And within seconds, you get a live feed to your phone, no delay. From there, you can adjust your settings and color profiles. There's a lot to choose from, but I like the default. Also, as I was adjusting the settings, I thought it was interesting that you could see my warm reflection in the window. Anyway, it's time for a test. I took it around the house and searched for cold spots. We found some areas that were leaking in cold and added insulation and sealed it up better. Then as I was searching the house, I thought it was cool that you could see our animals' footprints. So if you ever can't find your cat, this could be helpful. I also had fun recording some unique shots. I made some hot water and then dumped it out into the sink. It looked like molten lava and was really satisfying, not gonna lie. And with this camera, I found out that I have poor circulation in my feet. I also used this to look for cold spots in the chicken coop and make sure that they're warm. And since the camera captures heat signatures and doesn't need light to record, you can use this at night. It kind of works as night vision. I've really enjoyed testing this. It's a great little camera. My only note is that it's not compatible with iPhone, but that doesn't affect me. I have no complaints. So if you want to look for hot and cold spots in your house, or even in your chicken coop, this thermal camera from HSFTools might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go see what other cool clips I can capture. See ya.